How to kill driveway moss with bleach. Moss will grow anywhere that is damp and doesn't receive any sunlight. Trees and houses can block the sun from reaching the driveway, which can cause moss to grow if the driveway stays damp for long periods. Fortunately, you can use bleach to clean the driveway surface as well as remove the green stain in the driveway that remains after you have removed the moss. Things you will need: stiff bristle brush, shovel, garden hose, bucket, bleach, rubber gloves. Use a stiff bristle brush to scrub away the moss. Moss is loose and doesn't grow roots, so it will lift up and move when you use the brush. Remove the loosened moss with a shovel. Use a garden hose to wash away any loose dirt from the areas where the moss was growing. Mix 1 gallon of water and 1 cup of bleach together in a bucket. Test the mixture in a location on the driveway that is out of the way to see if the bleach mixture will fade the driveway material. Water the grass and any flowers near the area where you will remove the moss. Soak the soil so that if any of the bleach mixture runs onto the flowers or grass, it will be diluted by the wet soil so it won't harm the flowers or grass. Put on your rubber gloves. Dip the stiff bristle brush in the bleach mixture. Scrub the area where moss was growing for about 2 minutes. Leave the bleach mixture sitting on the spot for 5 minutes. If the spot starts to dry, add more bleach mixture. Rinse the spot with the garden hose. The green coloring on the driveway from the moss should be gone. Wait for the spot to dry, which can take a few minutes to an hour depending on the weather and the temperature outdoors. If the driveway material didn't fade, continue washing all the areas where the moss was growing. Tips: warnings. The moss may start to grow again in a few months. Repeat each step to remove the moss. Prevent moss from growing by trimming trees and shrubs that are blocking the sun from the driveway if possible.